Here we have an iPhone X with touchscreen issues, and we're going to start by heating up the edges of the screen so we can remove it and install a new one. Once we remove the screen, we are going to clean the residues from the old waterproof seal and install a new one. Now it's time to grab the new screen and transfer the earpiece to the new screen. After that, we will proceed to install the screen on the phone. Once we are done installing the screen, we'll put the two screws at the bottom, and then we will install a tempered glass to protect the screen. And as you can see, this phone is now ready.